Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys, and today I have more mini brands, but it's the mini brands mini minis, and apparently they're supposed to be that perfect, supposedly to be a perfect 1/6 scale, because in other series the scale was all over the place, including Ulta Beauty mini brands. My mini baby, not so much. For some items are just smaller because they're not meant to be used for Barbies. So yeah. So I got 6 of the capsules, and I got the refrigerator, as you can see. And we're gonna actually open this up first. From what I saw from other people's reviews on the fridge, so like Delightful Dolls, it's a little short, but we can make it work. Okay, so here is the refrigerator standing up, and here is an Integra Toys doll that's on the mink body, so around the same height. And here is a regular Barbie mate move. So it is kind of small, but I know there has to be some sort of refrigerator somewhere out there in the world that is probably that small. So we're just going to deal with it, and if I do choose to use it in my kitchen, I can just raise it up. But the handles are down here, and they actually light up. There's the freezer part, has drawers. You can't really see. 2 big drawers and 2 small drawers. And look at that detail right there. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna open up the first bag, and it looks like we get more shelves for the refrigerator part. Okay, we're going to open this up, and we're going to put the shelves down here. One there. Oh. So the fridge is put together now, and we're going to open up our first mini, and we get a soda can. It's Olipop and a little ice thing. Let's put it right in here. And just look at that. Perfect size for a Barbie. Like, look at that. Okay. We're gonna put that, let's put that right here. No, right here. Okay. The next bag has 2 things, it feels like. Oh, okay, hold on. There is actually more. Okay. One, we get a magnet. Right? Then we actually got a couple of items. We have this little juice, Ramun. It looks like it's supposed to be maybe a Japanese drink, because right here at the bottom, it's not in English. I can't see. Okay, I can't see it. I don't think you guys can see it. It won't actually open up, but yeah. Or I'm trying to show you, but it doesn't want to focus, so yeah. The magnet's a warm one. That's really cute. So next we have a Pizza Hut box. Oh. And we get a little pizza. It's quite small. Looks like there's pepperoni, peppers, onions on it. It could be like a personal size pizza. Next, we have another Olipop soda. This one is classic root beer, as you can see. And then this one was strawberry vanilla. Like, look at all that detail. We have another Olipop soda, and we have vintage cola. That's pretty cool. Gonna put that in the fridge. And then we have a bottle of hot honey. Oh, just a Mike's hot honey. Would this go in the refrigerator? I don't know, but we're gonna put it in the refrigerator along with this juice, and the Pizza Hut box can go right here. Okay. And next, there is some resin play. Here is our resin, and we get a little mold. What's this? Oh, there is some orange slices. We got some tongs, a plate, white plate, and another orange slice. There's 3 orange slices. And you can technically use the fridge. It just takes a lot longer. Directions how to make the little jelly. And it does take around 20 to 25 minutes for it to cure. But I am going to use my UV lamp just to make it simple. So, yeah. So it just finished, and I left it in there for 90 seconds. So now we can just pop. Oh, nope, because it's not finished. I don't think. Yeah, no. So we're going to cure this for another 90 seconds. Now I think it should definitely be finished. We can just pop it out, and look at that. We do have a little excess. Not perfect, but it's cute. I did put the orange slices inside right there. That's one. So yeah, and we can put it on a little plate and cover it up. We're gonna put that at the top. All right. Now, like I said, I did buy 6 capsules, so I am going to open them, and we shall see what we get. If you're wondering where I bought these from, I bought these off of Target, like the app, the website. If you want to check your local Target store, that should be good. So, yeah. Ooh. This is squishy. Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's crispy tater tots. Here is a doll. I think it's a good size. Let's put that right at the bottom of our fridge. Okay. Here is the next one. This one's also squishy. And this is Eggo. Now, the Eggo box is too small. I will say that. Because, like, what? I mean, I think it could work. We're just gonna put that in the freezer. Now, here's the next one. It's 2 eggplants, and they're so cute. They're wrapped in plastic, as you can see. And we're gonna put this down in this drawer. I feel like I put all my vegetables and fruits and whatnot in like a bottom drawer like that in my own refrigerator. Let's see, what's this? Oh, we have lobster. The lobster is small, but it's good for one like person. Look at that. So I definitely want to get multiple of these. I'm gonna also put that at the bottom. What's in here? Oh, we get a little juice. It's cute. Look at that. I think that's perfect size for the dolls. Oh, just hold on by her face. Nice. Okay, we're gonna put that in here. And our last bag, we have, ooh, it's soy sauce. Soy sauce. That's so cute. Again, do you guys put your soy sauce in the refrigerator? I feel like I'll put mine in the cabinet, but we will put it in the refrigerator for now. Okay. That was a lot of bags. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags in this one. And I just find it pretty cool. Even Delightful Dolls said it might be like 6 or 7 bags per capsule. So it really depends which capsule you get. But I figure since the minis are so tiny, they added more to compensate for it. Oh gosh. Okay. We got another magnet, and I actually don't know if you get magnets all the time. This magnet is toast with eggs and avocados. So let's open this up. Ooh. We have bacon! Oh, and it's solid. It's not just like printed, but oh my gosh. See, wait. Yeah, thick cup bacon, and I love bacon, so we're gonna put that at the top. Oh, this one is, y'all, it's a chicken, frozen chicken. Now it definitely is on the smaller size, but it should be fine. We're gonna put that right here at this second drawer. Oh, we have, this is Kraft Hickory Smoke Barbecue Sauce. That is really cute. I think it's probably a better size than regular mini brands comments, but yeah. Oh, we get fresh milk. We're gonna put that here. The next one, we got a double. It's okay. Hey, we'll get 2, so we probably need more. And the last one feels like a box. And we get pretzel dogs. Auntie Anne's. That's pretty cool. I'll put this down here. And let me show you our collector's guide. First, we have a legendary. I actually want this. That looks pretty cool to make. And then this is iconic. And these are mini minis. So I think they're smaller than your average mini. You can get IHOB, Baskin Robbins. Look. Oh my gosh. This is another creation. And I don't even know what that is, but it looks good. Get ice cubes. That's luxury. Oh, this is luxury. Then we have ultra rare. And I think we have one of these. Actually, no. I think the ones that we got with the fridge, I think are fridge like exclusives. Got Panda Express. Eggos, Auntie Anne's, Jello's, Craft. Let's see in the back. Got Common. Yeah. I want to get the broccoli, and I also want to get this, and the fish, and lamb chops. So, yeah. And then here is all the magnets. We have another magnet, and it's an egg. And I also just found the magnet that I thought was missing, and it's a kettle. So apparently you do get one for each capsule, seems like. Well, so far I have. And they're not in any of the bags or in the capsule themselves. So just keep that in mind. Let's see. What's here? Oh, we got like a little fruit tray. And they come out. That's pretty cool. I love that. It's a pretty good size. Okay. What's in here? Oh, we got ice cream. And then this one is jam. What? I'm sort of like an almond fudge. Okay, well, it doesn't want to focus. Great. We're gonna put that in the freezer because that's where ice cream belongs. And the chicken fell out. Okay, next bag we have another Pizza Hut box. Let's open this. This one we get. It looks like Hawaiian, so pepperoni and pineapple. Not my favorite, but it's whatever, I guess. We get some more milk. Should really make like the jugs, like the gallon or half a gallon jugs for this series. Oh, we get the Philadelphia cream cheese. Does this open? Wait, does it? I don't think it opens, but the crazy part is I do have a Philadelphia like cream cheese before. I have the Philadelphia cream cheese box. I thought I had like this one but bigger. I probably do. However, just look at that size difference. Like, come on. So I like how these are actually more like 1/6 scale, more realistic and whatnot. So we absolutely love that. Next one, we have more lobster. That's pretty cute. Okay, we're gonna put that with our other lobster. Here is our 4th capsule. We have a new magnet and it is bread. Okay. The first bag we have soft pretzels by Auntie Anne's. We'll put that in the freezer. Next one we have mayo, and this is so perfect for the dollhouse. Like, yeah, that's pretty good. Let's put that in here. Will it fit? No. No, okay. It's going to fit right here. Okay. The next one we have kombucha. Never had this before. And I heard it tastes disgusting. This kind of feels like jelly. Like this part, like rubbery. So, yeah. Next one, we have more of that juice. Ramoon. And that's going to go in here. Well, this flavor is strawberry. Then what was this flavor? Well, this flavor was peach. Okay. I figured. Next one we have, it's lamb chops. Look at that. They're so realistic. Oh my gosh. This is one of the things I don't mind having doubles of, because these 4 little small lamb chops are probably not going to feed a whole family. So, yeah. And here's, oh, we have another juice, and this one is a double. So, do we have any more space? Can it fit? Yes, it can. Okay. And here is our second to last capsule, guys. I'm so sad. We have a new magnet, and this is a hot dog with lettuce and all that. So the first bag we have a turmeric shot. That's pretty cool. We're gonna put that right next to our kombucha. And then next we have another fruit bowl. Let's put that on top of there. Push that to the back. Okay. Next we have more, it's shredded hash browns. And it's soft, it has styrofoam in the middle. Next is, we got another Olipop soda, and then this one is grape. Yep, classic grape. I'm gonna place that here. Okay. Next, we have another pizza box. Pizza Hut. Ooh, and this one is another Hawaiian. See, never had Hawaiian, but the fact is pineapple, I think, just puts me off a little bit. But everyone has their different tastes. And this one is lobster. Look at that. This is our third lobster, and I don't even mind getting like a triple of this because it's that dang on cute. Guys, this is my last capsule. I'm hoping it to find like the old star, I think it was. I don't see a magnet. Okay. So open the first bag, and this is eggplants. Okay. Well, at least the good news is we can take one of these out, but I don't think we need 6 eggplants, depending. What's it here? This one's soft. It is ham? No, sorry, turkey. It's turkey. Oven roasted turkey. There's nothing inside because it's a box. Plain. Sad. But yeah. We're gonna put that here. Okay. Next, we have what feels like another juice, but this one is roomy, but it's a double. It's a strawberry one. Can we fit one more like inside? Yes, no. Okay, we're gonna place that right here, and our soda is now over there. That's fine. This one feels like, wait, I don't even know what that feels like. Oh, it's broccoli. That is so cute. Look at that. Well, at least we have something other than eggplants. Lord. Okay. This one feels like, I don't know. Oh, and this is mashed potatoes. Does it come out? It does. And what's inside? I think. Oh, now that is so cute. Like, I'm struggling over here, as you can see. But you can see the mashed potatoes. That's cute. Now, would this go in the freezer or the refrigerator? No, we're just gonna put it in the refrigerator. And the last one is a bottle of water. That is so cute. This one also feels really rubbery. Well, it is because it's bendable, but oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, I forgot to mention, like, this shells, I guess it's supposed to hold eggs. And I'm enjoying this, really. Everything was so cute. Kind of sad I didn't find the oat jar this time, but we will order more. Don't you worry. I found the magnet. It's a pretzel. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at CelestialDolls02. See you next time. Bye!